Last day we started perimeter. I already discussed with you all about perimeter. Now, what are the formulas of perimeter? Yesterday I told you that we'll see today again. First of all, perimeter of a rectangle. Yesterday I explained to you perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. Perimeter of a triangle. Perimeter of a triangle is equal to sum of the length of all sides. These three formulas I already discussed last day. Now, today again we will come to that portion. First formula, perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Then, if in the question perimeter you have to find out and length and breadth is given, so no problem, you just add length and breadth and multiply that number by 2. Now, if the question is like that, you have to find out length of the rectangle and perimeter and breadth is given in the question. Then how can you find out? In that case, formula of finding length of a rectangle is equal to perimeter divided by 2 minus breadth. And if you have to find out breadth of the rectangle, then perimeter divided by 2 minus length. These two are important. You must remember this. Again, suppose in the question, side you have to find out, side of a square you have to find out, and perimeter is given. Then what you will do? Side of a square just equal to perimeter divided by 4. If perimeter is given, that number you will divide by 4, you will get side of the square. And if you have to find out perimeter of the square and side is given, then the formula we all know, perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. 4 into side of a square. So, these three new formula today I am explaining to you. So, again repeating, if length you have to find out and breadth and perimeter is given, then length of a rectangle is equal to perimeter divided by 2 minus breadth. And if you need to find out breadth and perimeter and length is given, then the breadth of a rectangle is equal to perimeter divided by 2 minus length. Similarly, if perimeter of a square is given and you need to find out side of the square, then side of the square is equal to perimeter divided by 4. And you already know perimeter of a triangle is nothing but sum of the length of all sides. If all sides are same size, then you just need to add the sides, and if all sides are different in size, then you will find out the sum, addition of all three sides. Now, just last day I started the exercise 15b. That exercise again you open, you will get this question over there. Determine the perimeter of a rectangle whose length and breadth are respectively 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Determine the perimeter. Perimeter you need to find out where rectangle's length and breadth is given. Now length is 4 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. So simply perimeter of the rectangle, we know the formula 2 into L plus B. Here we'll put the value of length and breadth and we'll get the answer 4 plus 3 is 7. That number you will multiply by 2, 14. And very importantly, what you will write? Unit of perimeter. I already told you last day, unit of perimeter is very important. Always you will mention the unit of the perimeter. Whatever unit is given of the side, that unit you need to mention there. Here 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter was given. So unit of perimeter is here centimeter. So 14 centimeter. Next question. Look at the question number 5 in your book. Perimeter of a rectangle is 30 centimeter. Perimeter of a rectangle is 30 centimeter. The breadth of the rectangle is 9 centimeter. What is its length? We need to find out its length. Just few minutes before I explained, if perimeter and breadth is given, you need to find out the length. In that case, our formula will be different. What formula? Formula is perimeter is 30 centimeter and breadth is 9 centimeter. So length, formula of the length here is equal to perimeter divided by 2 minus breadth. Perimeter is 30 divided by 2 minus 9. That you have to calculate, and according to the simplification BODMAS rule, first what we'll do? Division part. So 30 divided by 2 is 15 and 15 minus 9 is 6. So our answer is 6. And as I said earlier, unit of perimeter is centimeter again. Okay. And if you cannot do this division 30 divided by 2, if you cannot divide orally, then you will do rough work side. Okay. The space is given to you. You will do this rough work here. Next question. Look at your book. Page number is mentioned in the worksheet. Question number 6. Determine the perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square whose sides are, one question I take from there, whose side is 8 centimeter. Whose side is 8 centimeter. You have to find out the perimeter of a square. So perimeter of a square, very simple, is 4 into side. So 4 into 8. 4 into 8. 4 8s are 32 and unit is centimeter. Okay. Simple. Next question. Come to the next question. Question number 7. What is the length of the side of a square whose perimeter is 64 centimeter? What is the length of the side? You need to find out side here, and of a square whose perimeter is given 64 centimeter. So if perimeter is given and you need to find out side of the square, then formula is perimeter divided by 4. So 64 divided by 4 is 16 and unit is centimeter. So rough work you can do here. That means division, long division you will do here. Okay. So simple, few formulas you need to remember, and very importantly, don't forget to write unit of perimeter. That is most important. Without unit, no value. You understood? If you write only 16, side of a square is only 16, and you not mention centimeter, is it same as 16 centimeter? No. I told you last day, if you write only 16, no use of that length of the side if you not mention actual unit. So unit is very important. So you do all sums like this. I gave homework in the worksheet and you solve all worksheet. I know you can do it. Thank you.